Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your main man, Lakeith Fowler, right here in the place to be. So, last time I left y'all, this wasn't complete, but now you see it. I got bricks and stones on old homes, looking great. So check it out. So, check it out. So, as you look right here, look at this stonework. So I'll be honest with you, I paid about $750 for this, but $750 for all of this. And if you look at the work and the craftsmanship in it, I'll show you some before and after pictures. Well, you got the video. This right here adds to the curb appeal. Now, I will say I haven't finished with the landscaping yet, but look at how the stone looks off the roof, off the other bricks and the older bricks. Doesn't even look like this looks original. Bricks and stones on old homes. So for $750, I guarantee you this right here is going to add curb appeal. It's going to be a hot selling point when it comes to this house, because no other homes in this neighborhood have this right here. So that's what I strive to do. It's just be different, set yourself apart as an investor, do what everybody else is not doing. Think on another level, be on another level, get money on another level, because that's really what it's ultimately about. So like I say, this was a garage conversion. You want to go see the inside? I'll show you the inside of it too. Come on, let's go through the door. Let me turn on the light real quick. So as you're going in, still, I just got my tag for my electricity today too, but this is a garage conversion. Come in here, I got the wood in the floor, whatever. This is what it looks like on the inside of the location, but that outside is strong. This is a brand new window, very energy efficient, sealed up to the max, looking good. TV area, closet. That stonework is amazing, man. Very good selling point for your properties as an investor. Like I say, when you think about it, and you think about what you got, and you think about what you put into it and what you get from it, you know, this right here separates. Looks better than anything on the street, man. I'm gonna let y'all see the rest of the street so you see what I'm saying. It's like I got other homes over here, but look at the garages on the ones just in the immediate neighborhood. Look all like no big deal, right? But then when you see this, oh my God! Think about it, y'all. Think about it. How much we gonna get for that, ladies and gentlemen? We're gonna get about 15 for that all day. And I ain't talking about 100. That's gonna sell it, y'all. That's that curb appeal. How to get curb appeal in any deal with a garage conversion with Lakeith Fowler on House Money. I'm showing y'all how to do it. It's done. I did it. So now you can copy it too. So let me show you again. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Why you should do a garage conversion on an old construction and make it look new. Lakeith Fowler, House Money. Thank you for tuning in.